Thank you. We have an update now to a story we've been following in Loudoun County. We're learning money has now been included in the new budget to pay for school resource officers at all elementary schools in the county. SROs are currently in all middle and high schools. And as 7 News' Nick Minock explains, the county sheriff has been pushing to expand the SRO program since 2019.
Loudoun County Sheriff Mike Chapman believes there should be an armed, trained school resource officer at every public school. Period. He points to data showing attacks on elementary schools are up more than 1,000% over the past 10 years. And today, more than a quarter of all school shootings target elementary schools. Another argument for having trained officers on every campus. Loudoun is a big county with a lot of 1-2-lane roads with no shoulders. That can slow down first responders when seconds count.
Traffic is definitely a factor, and it's good to have people in the schools in the event that something happens that they can immediately respond, and then we can get our deputies out there, but at least you have somebody immediately that can handle the situation or get the ball rolling on the situation. Because what would happen is if you don't have that, then you're gonna have to wait for somebody to get there and start making the calls, and then it's gonna be way too late.
Right now, the money is in the budget to fund school resource officers at every elementary school. But the school board will have the final say, and they may block this proposal. More on that ahead at 5 on 7 News. Reporting in Loudoun County, Nick Minock, 7 News.
All right, so when it comes to SROs in other local school districts, resource officers are in middle and high schools in Alexandria, Fairfax, and Prince William counties. Arlington and Montgomery counties removed them several years ago. Arlington schools have what's called safety coordinators, and in Montgomery County, SROs were replaced with community engagement officers. But there is a renewed push now by many parents to bring back school resource officers after the shooting at Loudoun High School on Monday.